All right, team, looks like we have our target pinpointed.
Our mission begins with precision reconnaissance. The ROV is our eyes and ears in the crushing depths, scouting the target's exact location and condition.
Our 8 gun. Our highly trained professoration divers, clad in bulky dry suits and full face masks.
Removing the accumulated silt and mud is crucial. This high-pressure wash reveals critical attachment points and reduces the suction.
Working with immense precision, the divers secure the thick, multi-strand galvanized steel cables, designed for immense tensile strength.
To assist the main lift, robust, bright yellow or orange inflatable buoyancy devices, our lift bags.
Surface. Rigging complete. Ready for inflation.
With all rigging secure, the divers perform.
Air is slowly introduced into the lift bags, providing controlled buoyancy. This significantly reduces the effect.
The massive hydraulic A-frame crane integrated into the stern of the salvage vessel is now primed. Its thick.
The moment of truth. With a powerful, steady pull, the second it hits the air, the salt starts crystallizing. We hit it with fresh water immediately to halt the accelerated corrosion process.
Touchdown on the deck. Secure all points. This relic isn't going anywhere.
Standard procedure. Our EOD guys are checking for any live surprises left in the racks after 70 years underwater. Forget sandblasting. We use dry ice. It's non-abrasive but rips those barnacles right off the armor.
We're sealing it. This inhibitor creates a barrier against oxygen, buying us time before the metal starts to flake.
Checking for structural integrity. We need to know how much of that original American steel is still good metal, and how much is just oxidized lace.
Breaking it down. The turret comes off first. It's a heavy lift, but essential for the full teardown.
Those tracks are fused solid. We have to break the pins just to get the hull onto the rollers.
We strip the high-value non-ferrous metals first. Everything is recycled in a modern U.S. facility. Nothing goes to waste.
We sort the salvageable from the scrap. If the steel's lost its temper, it's going back to the furnace.
After salvaging the tank from the ocean floor, the sections are loaded onto a flatbed truck for transport to a modern steel mill.
The process of rebirth begins here. We're charging the EAF with the remains of the old warrior.
Blasting it with pure energy. We're talking over 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit to break down that 20th century alloy.
Precision is everything in American manufacturing. We analyze the purifying the batch. We skim off the impurities, the salt, the rust, the silt, leaving only the high-grade iron behind. Now we upgrade. We're adding a custom blend of alloys to transform that old scrap into 21st century super steel.
From liquid to solid. These steel billets are the building blocks of our new defense system.
Crushing it into shape. Thousands of tons of pressure are forging the density we need for modern ballistics.
Quenching. This rapid cooling locks the molecular structure, giving the steel its extreme hardness.
Hardness isn't enough, you need toughness. Tempering removes the brittleness, so the armor can take a hit without shattering.
Digital precision. Every piece is cut to a fraction of a millimeter, ready for a perfect fit on the assembly line.
Zero defects. We're scanning for even the tiniest air pocket. The integrity of the hull is life or death for the crew.
Prepping for the weld. Smooth edges mean stronger bonds.
The metal has been reborn. From the bottom of the ocean to the cutting edge of technology, it's time to build a tank. Steel is eternal. From the depths of the past to the guardians of the future, the backbone of the machine. We start with the lower hull, precision aligned to within 1,000th of an inch.
Safety is built into the architecture. We're installing the fireproof bulkheads to isolate the power plant from the crew cabin.
Even our advanced steel needs protection. This electrochemical primer ensures the hull survives another century, regardless of the environment.
Next, the legs. We're installing high-travel hydropneumatic suspension,
for a smooth ride over the roughest terrain.
Clear. These lightweight alloy road wheels are designed for high-speed durability and easy maintenance in the field. The final drives, where the engine's power meets the tracks. This is where the torque happens. The nervous system. Miles of fire-resistant cabling connect every sensor and computer in the tank.
While the filters keep the engine breathing clean air in a dust storm.
The heart is in. This engine power pack is a modular masterpiece. If it fails, we can swap the whole thing in under 30 minutes. Instant integration. Every connection is a quick disconnect, designed for rapid battlefield repair. Heat management is critical. These fans can move thousands. Last step for the chassis, the track.
It's alive. The chassis is mobile, ready to receive its turret and become a true modern main battle tank.
Final checks for the hull. Fuel systems are pressurized, and the automated fire suppression is armed and ready.
The turret is where the brain and the punch live. We're welding these modern armor plates at extreme angles to bounce incoming rounds.
This is the turret ring. It has to be perfectly level to allow 360 degrees of smooth, rapid rotation under the weight of the armor. The main event, a long-range, high-pressure smoothbore cannon. This is the sting of the modern main battle tank. Precision loading. We're installing the automated racks designed for rapid fire and maximum crew protection.
Fire on the move. Our dual-axis stabilizers ensure the gun stays locked on target, even while the tank is jumping over trenches.
Integration of secondary systems. The coaxial gun provides suppressive fire, perfectly slaved to the main gun's optics.
The gunner's eyes. This thermal and day channel optic can spot a target through smoke and total darkness from miles away.
The hunter-killer capability. The commander's panoramic sight allows him to find the next target, while the gunner is busy destroying the first.
Instant ranging. The laser rangefinder feeds distance data directly into the fire control computer. Defensive measures. These launchers can create an instant infrared blocking smoke screen for a quick escape.
Clear!
Adding the final layer. These modular reactive armor blocks add an extra shield against shape charge missiles.
The marriage. The turret meets the hull. We finally have the silhouette of a modern main battle tank.
The slip ring allows the turret to spin indefinitely without tangling the wires. Power and data now flow through the entire machine.
Topside protection. This remote station lets the crew engage infantry without ever opening a hatch.
Active defense. These sensors detect incoming rockets and intercept them in mid-air before they ever touch the armor.
The digital battlefield. Our BMS links this tank to every other unit, drone, and satellite in the theater.
Comms check, 1, 2. Roger that, loud and clear.
Always connected. Encrypted satellite links ensure the crew is never out of touch with command.
The computer needs to know the wind speed to calculate a perfect shot. Every variable is accounted for.
Full speed rotation. 5 tons of steel moving with the grace of a ballerina.
The crew is safe inside. The NBC system filters out nuclear, biological, and chemical threats, keeping the cabin air pure.
The final coat. A digital camouflage pattern designed to break up the tank's silhouette across multiple environments.
Ghost in the desert. This coating suppresses the infrared signature, making the tank nearly invisible to enemy thermal sensors.
Top-tier lubrication. We're filling the veins of this machine with high-performance synthetics to withstand extreme combat heat.
Power on. That's the sound of 1,500 horses waking up.
Testing the limits. We push the speed to ensure this 60-ton beast can outrun and outmaneuver the opposition.
Nothing stands in its way. If it can't go around it, it goes over it.
Live fire. We're validating the lethal precision of the main gun at ranges exceeding 2 miles. Hardened against the future. The electronics are shielded against EMP blasts that would fry a civilian vehicle.
She's 100% green across the board, Colonel.
Good work, team.
The final stamp of approval. This machine is now officially combat ready. Look at the resolution on this thermal. Incredible. Handing over the keys. We're training the crews to master the most advanced tank ever built. On the move! This tank is headed to join its unit on the front lines.
Logged and loaded. The vehicle's digital twin is now live in the National Defense Database. From the silence of the ocean floor to the thunder of the battlefield. Reborn, reforged, ready. Out of the workshop and into the fire. The recycled steel is now the tip of the spear in America's armored divisions.
Total dominance in the dark. Our advanced sensor pods find the target before they even know we're in the valley.
Impact absorbed.
Continuing mission.
Reforged for resilience. That modern armor plate, once a relic.
Modern warfare demands modularity. Even in the heat of a campaign, our crews keep the steel strong.
A legacy of iron. What was once lost to the depths has been reborn to defend the horizon.
We never stop watching. Every stress point on that modern armor plate is tracked digitally to predict maintenance before a failure even happens.
Scanning for fatigue. We ensure the steel
Evolution is constant. The tank's modular design allows us to swap out armor as tech advances, keeping the machine at the cutting edge.
Every end is a new beginning. When this tank finally reaches its limit, the steel is already tagged for its next transformation.